Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Finally, another episode of Bassholics TV. Today I'm going to be going out to the state park doing some kayak fishing. Trying to catch largemouth bass. Last time I was out there, all we caught was pike, though. So, the pike are pretty thick out there. And let's see if we can't get into some bass. I know I just got out of work. As you can tell, I still have my work clothes on. So, I am going to get changed real quick. And I'm going to head out there. Got some buddies waiting for me out there already with kayaks. So, yeah, I'll get changed real quick and we'll head out there. And I'll see you on the water. Alright, what is going on, guys? We are actually out here now. I am on the kayak, as you can see. We're out here at the state park. And we literally just put it in the water, so we're just going to kind of kayak around and see if we can't get into anything. Try to find some bass. I'll show you what I got tied on real quick. Same thing I was using the other day that I was actually catching fish on. I actually got this out of one of my mystery tackle boxes. It was last month's, which was April's mystery tackle box for bass. It's the Strike Pro crankbait. The Strike Pro Montero. It's that guy right there. It's got the pink belly. And I mean, it's a fairly shallow diving lure. It's pretty jacked up right now because I've been catching pike on it, but it's a pretty shallow diving lure. It only goes down to about half a foot, maybe. But I got a little decent spot right here to where there is some cattails, and then I'm probably going to be throwing right on the edge of the cattails. See if I can't hook up on anything. And I got a backlash on my first cast. That's decent. What I'm fishing on right now is just like, it's probably about 5 feet deep here. And there's about 2.5 feet of weeds up off the bottom. And then it's clear above that. I just had a school of big carp just swim right underneath me. Oh man, that was nuts. They were huge. It scared me. I didn't know what it was at first. Dude, I just had a huge school of carp just roll right underneath me. It's a little bit chillier out here than the other day when we were out here. I actually caught 12 fish and we were only out here for 3 hours on the kayaks. Yeah, we're just out here today at the Bay City State Recreation Area. I mean, it's one of the better places to fish in the Tri-Cities here. Just because everything's accessible. A lot of times you find a pond or something like that around here, and around the outside it's all trees, you can't even make a cast, and it's just not good. But here we've caught all different types of species. Jose, being as he likes little fish, catches bluegill. We've caught largemouth, smallmouth bass, a lot of pike. That's the majority of what we catch here. I mean, I've never caught a bluegill here, but I don't use bait small enough for those little guys, so go big or go home, right? What I love about these suspending jerk baits is they just stay in the same spot for so long. You can jerk and literally pause for however long you want. I'm doing kind of quick pauses right now. That's just because I'm impatient. I just can't believe I haven't gotten any bites yet. It's nuts.
Ate it.
So you already lost the lure?
Yep.
There's Jose's first lost lure of the day. See how many more you can get up to. Thanks, jerkbait, for getting me all up in these weeds. First catch of the day. Psych. Jose actually got a fish before us. Let's see if we can land it. Obviously. Doesn't count. Told you he wouldn't be able to land it. We leave for 3 seconds and Jose catches this. This monster crappie. Look at this. Look at this next to my hand.
This like
that's a huge crappie, dude. Look at Jose's blonde hair though.
Oh my.
Hold on, bring it here, Jose.
That's a big fish. Big old crappie. Yeah. Finally got a fish.
Oh, I probably shouldn't cast over there.
Come here, girl.
See if I can double up.
You try to double up?
Try to.
I'm gonna try to land this fish without getting my camera wet.
Yeah. Cow, Marcus?
Huh?
You got one?
Yeah, it's a cow, man.
It's a cow.
Literally, moo.
Moo. Cow.
Pike? I just almost died.
No, it's a cow. You said that.
That's a cow, dude.
It's a freaking cow. Man, look at them teeth. Bet you won't let him bite.
Dun, 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 dun.
Can I touch one? Bring here. I want to touch his teeth.
Dude, I pried a mouth of one of these open one time. Hey, you were there.
Yeah, to get your lipless.
Yeah.
Oh. Nose piercing.
Nose piercing.
Oh, man. He's juicy. Oh, got him again. Lip piercing. I want to touch his teeth, though. Bring him here. Nope.
Grab that little. So that doesn't, my pole doesn't fall back on me. There you go. There you go. That one in the water.
Bring him here.
He's kind of.
Oh.
Want to get it on camera?
Oh,
Look at his
God.
teeth.
Oh! I touched it enough. That's all I needed to do.
Boom. Got a fish on camera. My goal has been met for the day.
Your camera's wet, though, so you failed your goal.
That's not bad.
A couple little specks.
We'll get a better little
Look at that slimy guy.
slimy bastard. Not what I'm going for, but it works.
Call you Mike Pikeman.
Call you Mike Pikeman?
Mike Pikeman?
Mike Pikeman. Out.
Ow. Oh! Oh, that.